Hey guys, today I will show you how to full screen Monster Hunter World. First, launch the game and go to the options menu from the title screen or in-game pause menu. Open display settings, then look for screen mode. Here, select full screen instead of windowed or borderless windowed and go back twice to confirm the changes. If the game does not switch properly, fully restart the game after applying the setting. Monster Hunter World sometimes needs a restart for display changes to take effect. Quick tip: if full screen causes issues like black screens or alt tab problems, try borderless windowed instead. It gives almost the same performance as full screen but works better with dual monitors and quick alt tabbing. And that's how the full screen Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.